Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to use custom crosshair in Valorant. So first open up our browser. In the search bar type a Valorant crosshair. Now go to the first website. Here there are a lot of custom crosshairs. Today we will use the crosshair of tens. Copy code. Now open Valorant. Head into any game. I'll just go to practice range. Go to the Crosshairs tab, click on Import Profile, paste the code and click Import. OK. Now you can see that I have the crosshair of tens. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.